In this video, I will show you how to log out of your Exodus wallet app. So first of all, open up your Exodus app and from here navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom right. Then we're going to click on settings at the bottom left. And from here we can scroll down and then at the bottom we see delete wallet. But before you do this, I want to say something important about this. And that is by deleting your wallet, you can actually lose crypto and some of your transaction history. But this means that you can always restore your wallet when you click this option just above that. And you can do that with an iCloud backup, a QR code, or the most recommendable one, the secret phrase. So once you store your secret phrase somewhere safe, you will always be able to restore your wallet. But before you do this, I would say put your crypto on a different wallet or a different app to keep it safe. Because deleting your wallet can remove your crypto as well. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. And at the moment, there is no option to log it out just like a regular way. So this is the only way you can actually log out of your Exodus wallet app. So I hope this video still helped you out. Leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.